Good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is Aisha Jamila Kadabango. I'm the Shabby and Shaz Creations. I am doing a special video on how to use the Warm Waters Victorian or any of the therapeutic or skin correctional soaps we make. It is important that you know that the correct use of the soaps really make your process a little better. Oh, I should have taken all my cool stuff, huh? But we family, so hey. Okay, so this is the Warm Waters Victorian. It is brown. It is not black. It is brown. Let me bring it close up so you can see. This is the Warm Waters Victorian soap. Okay, um, it's handmade. Is all natural, all organic, premium skin soap. It's in the therapeutic family because we make a whole bunch of therapeutic soaps. They will make skin correctional soaps. So, but all of them can be used in the same way. So I am doing this because I'm getting a lot of requests about it. So here we go. I would like you to change the way you shower. I would like for you to go into the shower with the hope of really trying to just not cleanse your skin but detox your skin and exfoliate your skin at the same time and really getting the best shower you can get. So when you go into the shower, I would like for you to turn the water a little past your comfort zone in the hot temperature setting. Do not go over your comfort zone, a little past your comfort zone. Make sure the water is tolerable. Do not burn your skin. Do not burn your skin. Make sure the water is just hot enough that you can enjoy it, but at the same time it's going to open up your pores. It's going to hydrate your skin. It's going to really go in and hydrate your skin. So now that you're under the water, just you in the water, no soap, just enjoy that water. Let your pores open up. Let your skin get hydrated. Let your skin get moistured. As soon as you get to that point where you know that your skin has really got moisture and hydrated, your pores are open, I want you to shut the water off. I want you to take the soap and rub it all over your body. For people that have hair issue, skin bacteria, skin issues, skin disorders, I would like for you to actually just bathe with the soap the way I'm explaining, and then rub another layer and leave it on. Yes, I said that. Rub another layer and leave it on. Nobody knows you got soap on, but it will kill the bacteria all day, and we hope you will not believe what this soap will do. I wish I could show you. This soap on its own can take care of head issues, scalp issues. I'm gonna show you pictures of some of the stuff the soap will take care of. So, and this particular soap is Warm Waters Victorian, so I'm going to stress on it because that's the soap that everybody wants to know how to use, but this is how you use all my soaps. So you want to really get underneath that shower, hydrate your skin, moisture your skin, open up your pores. As soon as you feel the feeling that your pores is open, you're ready to move to start in the shower process. Shut the water off. You don't need it. Don't waste water. Really lubricate your skin. Really good. Soon as you find out yes, your skin is really lubricated, I would like for you to get a sponge, exfoliant, whatever you use to scrub your skin, a sapo, a loofah, a washcloth, whatever device you use to scrub your skin. I want you to get that. Put a little bit on it. Stay with the water off. Put a little bit of the soap on it. Really just scrub your skin really good, but be gentle to your skin at the same time. And then turn the water on when you're done, and just look down and see how much, junk we collect in our skin on a daily basis. But this is one of the soaps that will take care of stuff like this. This is a child. Oh, shoot. My pictures are moving too fast for you. This is a child that has some skin issues on her head. Let me make sure you can see the picture. Let me zoom it in. Okay, and can you believe you see all the boils in the head? And let me show another picture of the same child on the other side of the head. Okay, so this child really was suffering from some kind of a skin disorder, bacterial, germ, whatever you want to call it. And I want to show you a picture of that child in about I think 10 weeks, the mother said. So the mother sent me these pictures. So I want you to know that the product works. This is all natural, all organic. Your computer, baby, are you for real? My computer decides to go off now. But we're going to keep this recording because I want you to see me at my natural state and know that I make mistakes. The computer is not human. He makes mistakes too. So that's it. So, but I wanted to show you the use, how to use the soap is more important than anything. So this child, on this child's picture that I showed you, we left that soap on that child. After the mother washes her hair every morning before she went to school, she will rub a thick paste layer on the area, affected area, and leave it on, and nobody knows that child has soap on your face, on their head, and keep it moving. I mean, it's gonna be a burning, not burning, like a minty, excuse me, sensation, like a soothing sensation that you're gonna go through. Go about your daily business. Enjoy the soothing and relaxing feel of it, and before you know it, you're gonna see a difference in the child or your skin. It's good for eczema. It's good for psoriasis. It's good for pimples. There is nothing that I know that soap will not do miracles with you. I mean, there's tons of other soaps and benefits of them. You need to just keep trying the soaps. Buy one soap, enjoy it for a month or two. Then go to another soap, enjoy it for a month or two. Learn to have an open mind to each of the soaps, and as you move towards these soaps, you will see different reactions as you use different soaps. Honestly, you just gotta try them. From the depth of my soul, I thank you all for watching. This is Aisha Jamila Karabangram, the Shabby and Shaz Creations.